About that time again. I'm getting set up for another lot walk. Let's get it. Welcome back, guys. Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. In today's lot walk, we're going to be walking around. We put on 10 new cars this morning at 11. Been pulling off all the other cars that have sold throughout the week. And of course, we get, I don't know, we sell about 60 cars a month. 20% of our inventory sells before I can list it or show it on video. With that being said, again, on Mondays, we always update with fresh inventory. We have financing and shipping at maplemotors.com, and we're a family-owned business about 40 years now. Each and every car on this lot has an individual test drive, pointing out chips, scratches, flaws. How does this thing run and drive? How does it feel when I stomp on it, steer it, and slam the brakes? So be sure to jump over and check that out. I do believe Pops took the price off of the old 52 Corvette right here. We just sold it. And that one's right up in the corner. So we're gonna skip on over it and jump right next to the Charger. How about a 1974 Dodge Charger? This one here is 21.9. And there's also 100 detailed pictures. Jeff, which is my uncle, he does all the detailed pictures. I do all the test drive videoing and control all the social medias. So you can also join us on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook for more videos. Right next to that, this one's new to the website. It's a 1968 Impala. This one's 22.9. I love the back end on these. Just look at the curves back here on the hips on this car. That is awesome. It's a bench seat car, nice interior. Pretty clean. And right next to that, we listed this one last week. It's already on hold. It was a 71 Chevelle, and this one was 28.9. Bucket seats, 4-shifter. They go pretty quick. Usually 24 hours after we list them, they're on hold. But that's why I do these videos here. This is a 66 Chevelle. This one just came out. It's a 4-speed car at 33.9. Video should already be up for the test drive so that you could check it out. Disc brakes on the front, aftermarket American racing wheels. Right next to that one, 1985 Monte Carlo. This is SS car, 13.9. Just walked across the front row here. We're going to continue on through the lot, but before we do so, be sure to hit subscribe and share this video. That actually helps me out quite a bit and keeps me making these for you. And yes, it's springtime in Tennessee, so it seems like it is always raining. This one, probably my wife's favorite last week. She came up just to ride in it. She was like, oh, I want to ride that Mustang. 1968 Mustang convertible, 4-speed car, 36.9. Of course, right next to that, we got a 1977 Corvette. This is also a 4-speed car. and it's a T-top car for $13,900. I got the video done last week early on this one on purpose. I wanted to make sure I had a video of it. I love this one. Probably my favorite one from the update, but it sold quick. 69 Plymouth Barracuda. Should have the built motor cammed up. Man, that was a good car. Just didn't last long. I had a feeling it may fly out of here. That was one of those 20% that sell before I can list them. But luckily I already had the video just to show what we had in. This one right here, 1965 Plymouth Barracuda. 4-speed car, 18.9. Hold don't mean sold until the cash is out. Right next to that, 1974 Pontiac Firebird. This one's 17.9, also on hold, but like I said, hold don't mean sold. Basically, a hold's $1,000 deposit put down on the car to give you enough time to come up with the rest of the money. If the rest of the money does not show up, you lose your grand. Right next to that, 1967 Chevy 2 Nova, 24.9. This one's got a roll cage in the back seat. Bucket seats back there. You could always put a rear seat back here in the back. It's not all tubbed out. I do got a whole nother lineup of cars over on the left side of the lot, also in front of the office here. We're going to be showing you those here in just a moment. We might have to stop off in the showroom, see what else is in there, and check out Pops' Hot Wheels room. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you some of the cars that left out of here last week. Of course, we had the old 55 Chevrolet sitting here. I do not believe this one's completely paid for. This one is $44,900. Ostrich interior, beautiful paint job. It's got the bumpers molded on. And of course the beast of a 350 sticking out of the hood. Right on the other side, a 1959 Corvette convertible. It's a beautiful car. You don't see many of these around. And they're fun to drive. It's also got the 4-speed transmission. I love how the seats curve. Kind of match the body here. Just an overall sweet car. Video is out, so you can see the test drive on this one. Whenever you stop by Maple Motors, you can always go in the office, say, "Pops, I want to see the Hot Wheels," and he'll bring you over to his Hot Wheels room. Me and him have been doing these for a long time. We used to work Nashville Flea Market when I was younger. And now we got a whole room set up for them, so we don't have to unload vans anymore, so that's pretty cool. It's right next door to Maple Motors. You can go to Jim Fight's Hot Wheels channel here on YouTube, hit subscribe, and we'll be pushing videos out. Not nearly as many videos as I do here at Maple Motors, but I'm always trying to update whenever he puts a lot of new cars in here, and it's about that time we really need to. Hopefully, I don't ask for rain here, but if it rains a lot, I'll be back in here making videos. Let's go ahead and shoot back out to the car lot. See what else we got. Of course, right here around the corner, we got a 1967 Chevy Biscayne. This one's got the big block in it, and it's $12,900. Coming around the corner, we've already sold the Chevrolet pickup truck. It's a pretty nice one we put on last week. You can probably see the video still on YouTube. Same with this old truck. Already sold it as well. It was a 73 C10 long bed. But new inventory. This one's 15.9. Video has not been made yet. Hopefully I can get to it today. This was a 1968 Ford Galaxy. Again, 15.9 convertible. Pretty nice paint job. Decent interior. Automatic on the column. So you can get a little pin striping. Looks like they painted these on the hood. Pretty sweet little ride. We'll be getting into detail on it today, so be looking for that video. Right next to that, for 17.9, 1972 Chevy Monte Carlo. With a vinyl top, deep blue paint job, aftermarket set of Riddler wheels. Again, that one's 17.9. Right next to that, this one's 11.9. It's a 1976 Olds Cutlass. And then new to the lot, El Camino here. I think this was a 65. Got the 4-speed in it for 17.9. And that video is up and running. I posted it this morning. Right up here in front of the office. Hold don't mean sold, but this was a 1963 Biscayne. No, this was the Bel Air. That's right, sorry. 1963 Bel Air, 24.9. And then right next to that, with the metal flake paint job, it is a 62 Impala 4-speed car, 32.9. If you get really close, you can actually see all the metal flake in this car. We just need a little sunshine. This thing will be glowing. Just a little sunshine. It's starting to peek back through the clouds. Maybe we'll catch some rays today. Okay guys, with that being said, we'll walk around the lot one more time, tell you a little bit about us. That way you don't get confused. You can get pre-approved at maplemotors.com through financing. That way when you see something on Mondays when I post these videos or update the website, you can be first in line. Anything you see in the background that I didn't mention, it's probably not available and it might not be for sale going through the lot. A lot of them customers' cars. We got stuff that's already sold in the background. And towards the end of the video, I'll show you some of the stuff that we sold last week under the awnings. Of course, we are a family business, about 40 years now. I'm the youngest under my grandfather, uncles, and father. And yes, we buy cars. All you have to do is email us pictures of your car. We don't put prices on people's cars either. Tell us what you want for it. We'll let you know if we're interested. Of course, if you've never seen this channel before, I like picking out the flaws. I try to stay 100% honest. That way people know exactly what they're getting. I don't want somebody coming in here screaming, oh, it's not what it was supposed to be. That's not what we run on here. We tell you all the flaws, no matter how bad they can be. And you can see that just by watching one of the test drives. I'll try to lay it out there for you. This one I'll be test driving today. I'm hoping if this sun stays, I am going to chamois it off, start her up, get this camera going, take her down the road. I kind of like it to dry up a little bit more. All right. And of course, you can find us about 15 minutes north of Nashville. We're in Hendersonville, Tennessee, which is 829 West Main Street. We do have local car shows, lots of stuff in between us if you come by. So we got the two Impalas sitting over here in front of the lot. And I do appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit subscribe. We're gonna go around to the back now, kind of walk the front lot. Told you everything of the prices and the years of all the new cars that just came in. And I gotta get started on some test drive videos while the sun's peeking through. Take advantage of that. Let's go around back, see some of the cars that we sold last week. Again, thank you for watching. So the stuff that hasn't already left out, we had a few spaces up under here. GTO, Camaro, step side, Chevy pickup here. The old 71, y'all see. Also sold the little red Express. The old 64, this is one of them. I don't think I got the video. Y'all seen the Camaro last week, 67. It's getting ready to go out. And the 71 Duster. Guess we can pull the hose up and kind of blow them off again. It's pollen, man. Pollen in Tennessee. If I ain't sneezing, I'm on allergy medicine, that's for sure. Okay, guys, again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Y'all have a good one.